Hello student, this is your maths teacher and here we are going to discuss the question based on work and time. In the previous video we have already discussed some question which have the topic work and time, and I hope that you enjoyed the video and there is no any doubt in the question. Now let's start a new question with some new energy. So the question is, A and B can do a work in 10 days. A and B can complete the work in 10 days. B and C can complete the work in 15 days. And C and A can complete the work in 12 days. So the question is that in how many days A, B and C can finish the job together? This is the first part of the question. And the second part of the question is also find the number of days if B can finish alone. So what number of time will be taken by B if B work alone? So this is the question. Now let's see how we solve it. I hope the question is clear. So let's start. First, here we write its solution. Solution. First, as we know that we have to find out the solution. So we write work done by A and B in 1 day. This is our first step. Work done by A and B in 1 day. So this will be 1 upon 10. Similarly, we write work done by B and C in 1 day, and this will be equal to 1 upon 15. The third is work done by C and A in 1 day, and this will equal to 1 upon 12. So these are the work done by A and B, B and C, C and A respectively in 1 day are 1 upon 10, 1 upon 15 and 1 upon 12. Now we have to find out work done by A, B and C in 1 day. So here we write work done by A and B in 1 day, A, B and C. So we write therefore according to question, we have A plus B plus B plus C plus C plus A is equal to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15 and plus 1 by 12. So here when we add them we get 2A plus 2B plus 2C. 2C is equal to, the LCM will be 16. The LCM will be 16, and here we write 6 plus 4 plus 5. since when 60 divided by 10 we get the quotient as 6 and 6 multiplied by 1 gets 6. Similarly 15 divides 60, we get 4 as a quotient and 4 multiplied by 1 we get 4. Similarly when 12 divides 60 we get 5 as a quotient and when 5 multiplied to 1 we get 5, and after the addition we get 15 upon 60, and here we get 2 times of a plus b plus c. So student, when we solve we get 2 times of a plus b plus c is equal to 1 upon 4. So this is the 1 upon simplest form of 15 upon 60, and a plus b plus c, since we have to find out work done by a, b and c in one day, since here a, b, c are twice, therefore we have to move out this 2 to the right hand side and we write a plus b plus c is equal to 1 by 4 into 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 8. This 1 by 8 represent work done by A, B and C in one day. And here we have to find out how many days A, B and C will require to complete the job together. So since we know that the number of days is always inversely proportional or reciprocal to the work done, so we write number of days required to complete the job is equal to 1 upon 1 by 8, which equal to 8 days. So that when A, B and C will work together, the job will be finished in 8 days. And I hope this is clear to everyone. So let's see the solution once again, and after this we will see the next step. So here we can see that this is the question. Once again, let's see what is the question. The question is that A, B and C. A, B can finish a work in 10 days, B and C can finish in 15 days, C and A can complete it 12 days. In how many days A, B and C can finish the work together? So this is your question. So your solution is, first of all we find out work done by AB, BC and AC in one day. So that the work done by AB and A and B in one day is equal to 1 by 10. Work done by B and C is 1 by 15. Work done by C and A in one day is 1 by 12. So these are work done by AB, BC and AC in one day. Now let's find out work done by A, B and C in one day. So that in order to find out work done by A, B and C in one day, since I have forgot to write, let's write here work done by A, B and C in one day. And this AB plus BC plus AC is equal to this. We have to add all these three fraction. So we get 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 15 plus 1 upon 12. The LCM of 10, 15 and 12 is 60. When 60 divided by 6, we get the quotient as 6. When 10 divides 60, we get the quotient as 6. And 6 multiplied by 1. 6 multiplied by 1 is 6. Similarly, when 15 divides 60, we get quotient as 4. And when 4 multiplied by 1, we get 4. And when 12 divides 60, we get quotient as 5. And when 5 multiplied by 1, we get 5. So this is the solution. And here, when 15 upon 60 is divided, we get 1 upon 4 as the simplest form. Since the LHS is twice of the right hand side, and here we have to find out the work done by A, B and C in one day. So we have to transpose these two to the right hand side. Since 2 is multiplied to ABC, so when 2 go to the right hand side, become divides. So here we write 1 upon 4 multiplied by 1 upon 2, which is equal to 1 by 8. This 1 by 8 represent work done by A, B and C in one day. Since we have to find out the the number of days required to complete the job by A, B and C, so we write the reciprocal of the fraction, that is the work done by A, B and C in one day. We get number of days required to complete the work is equal to 8 days. So this is the solution. Now let's see the next part. The next part of the question is also find number of days if we can finish it alone. So the next part of the question is, if B can do the same job alone, then number of days required to complete the work by B. Since we have to find out work done by A, B and C in one day is equal to 1 by 8. And also we know that work done by A and C in one day, which is equal to 1 by 12. Therefore, we get A plus B plus C is equal to 1 upon 8. Now this can be rewrite as B plus A plus C is equal to 1 upon 8. Is that clear? Now write the value of A and C, which is 1 upon 12. So B plus 1 upon 12 is equal to 1 by 8. Now transpose this 1 upon 12 to right hand side. We get B is equal to 1 by 8 minus 1 by 12. After solution, we get LCM as 24, and here 8 3s are 24, that is 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1 by 24. This 1 by 24 represent work done by B in one day, and the question is how many days required to complete the job when B work alone. Therefore, number of days to complete the job by B alone is equal to 1 upon 24, which is equal to 24 days. So this is the number of days to require to complete the job when B work alone. So in this way we can find out the solution of this question, and I hope the solution is clear. So students, if you have any problem, then you can ask your doubt in the comment section. I will clear in the next video. So we shall meet in the next video with some new question. Till then, goodbye.